Namaste. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to our channel Food is Love. I know there are tough times going on in our country, but we need to stay strong, stay positive, and also stay healthy and also eat healthy. We will fight this out together. Before starting with our recipe, I want to share with you some fun facts about our ingredients. I have already mentioned in my previous video that before starting every recipe, we will share with you some fun facts about the ingredients which we are going to use. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Ingredient is egg. It takes a hen between 24 and 26 hours to develop an egg. An average hen lays 300 to 325 eggs in a year. Rice is the oldest known food that is still widely consumed today. The Great Wall of China is held together with sticky rice. Biryani. There are more than 20 types of biryani around the world, and majority of them are in India. Aren't they interesting? So let's get started. First of all, take a deep pan or wok or karai and add some water into it. Add bay leaf, black cardamom, some cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 or 2 green chilies into it, and boil the water. So you can see the water is boiling. Once the water is boiled completely, add 3 to 4 bowls of rice into it. I am taking here 3 to 4 bowls for around 6 members. You can also reduce or increase the amount of rice. We have added here dry spices to give the rice a nice flavor. Now cook the rice until they are 80 to 90% cooked. I have added here some salt and a little bit of lemon juice. We have added lemon juice to make sure the rice do not stick together. So you can see the rice is cooked here. You need to check it in between. Make sure you do not overcook the rice, otherwise it will stick together, and we do not want the rice to stick together. So our rice is cooked completely. Once the rice is cooked, keep it aside and cool it down. I have added here some oil in a pan and added 2 to 3 onions into it. We are going to fry the onions until they are brown and transparent. So you can see the color of the onions is changed. Once they are cooked, keep them aside. Again, I have added some oil in a pan. I have added some cumin seeds into it, 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, black cardamom, cloves and green cardamom. Roast until they give a nice aroma. In biryani, the spices are the main ingredients. I have added here some slit green chilies, I have added finely chopped garlic into it. You can also use garlic paste, but I would suggest use finely chopped garlic to give it a nice flavor. Now I have added here 2 chopped onions. Cook them until they are transparent. So once the onions are cooked, I have added here 2 tomatoes chopped. And I will add here some salt so that the tomatoes are cooked fast. Cook them until they are mashed. I have added here garam masala, coriander powder, red chili powder, some garam masala, and some biryani masala. I have added here a little bit of water and I will let them cook completely. I have added here some salt. Make sure to check the quantity of salt you are adding. Do not over add the salt. I am adding here some yogurt, around 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Yogurt or curd gives a very nice flavor to the gravy. So mix them completely. And also I have added some water into it, so it is runny. Now here I have taken 2 eggs. I have added some garam masala into it, some salt, and some red chili powder, and some biryani masala, and I will beat it and transfer it into a pan. And I'm going to make scrambled eggs here. It's not for eating. I will show you when to use it. I have taken here some oil, added some salt and some coriander powder, some biryani masala and some red chili powder, and I have added here boiled eggs into it. I will roast these eggs in these spices only for some time so that the flavor gets into the eggs. So you can see the eggs are covered with the spices. Now I will add these eggs in the gravy which we were cooking. So I will add it one by one here. And cook it for some time. Now once the gravy is cooked, I will take a deep pan or karai, add a layer of rice, some gravy. We are going to add layer by layer. Now again I have added a layer of rice, scrambled eggs. So here we are going to use the scrambled eggs and the fried onions. Here I have added some mint and coriander leaves. Again the layer of gravy and the rice and some fried onions. You need to cook it on a low flame. You can also place the biryani pan on a tawa and cook it. So our biryani is ready to be eaten. Serve it with some raita, some onions, and enjoy with your family. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.